Hey guys, I'm so excited. Today me and my boyfriend are going to Florida. We're flying to Orlando for my birthday to Disney World, and then we're going to drive to Miami and stay there for the rest of the week. So I'm so excited. I'll bring you guys with, and yeah, so let's go. My friends are picking us up and we are heading to the airport. Yay!
Everything on time, just a perfect day.
Yeah.
And you guys leaving, which is perfect. You guys want this? Or
Yes.
you done? Yeah. Hey, enjoy. Make sure to have fun. Don't shoot a lot. Enjoy.
The airport is packed. Corona food. We all checked in at the airport. We still have some time, so I'm gonna shoot some content here. I'm literally wearing all white pretty much, and I hope I'm not gonna mess it up. So apparently it's all about angel numbers lately. Look at this, guys. Gate number 27, seat number 27B, and I'm turning 27 in 2 days. This is so cool.
When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the...
We made it to Orlando. The air is so humid and I love it. We just got the car, driving to the hotel, and I keep seeing 27. It means something. It definitely means something.
Oh, let me give you this back as well.
Oh, awesome. Woo! So, we're in the hotel, and guess what floor? We stayed in 27. I can't. This number is following me today from last night. Something about this trip and this number, I'm just, I don't know, it makes me happy. Just checked into hotel and going straight to bed. And it looks so comfy. But you guys, this view is so stunning. Wow. I love how green Orlando is. Just so gorgeous. This is Icon Park where we came, and it's so beautiful. Just exploring the city. So that's the downside of living with this like tropical weather, is that bugs and insects also love this weather and they really go everywhere. So now Mr. Spider is hiding in these holes right there, and we're trying to blast the AC and see what's gonna happen.
Sounds like...
So little spider update. I am in a room while my boyfriend is exchanging the car because the spider went actually like in their AC holes, so we can't really get the spider out. The spider might come out, maybe not, we don't know. We don't want to deal with that because we're actually planning to drive to Miami in 2 days, so we don't want to deal with any spiders. So I'm just like in my room having sushi while my boyfriend is exchanging the car, and just gonna go to bed. Tomorrow is a super exciting day. I am so excited to show you guys my outfit, and it's just going to be so much fun. Can't wait. I'm so tired too, so good night until tomorrow. It looks like downtown LA. Hurry! I won! I didn't even want to play and I won. It's my birthday! I just got up to this gift from my boyfriend. Oh, so cute. I love it. It's like 2 little hearts. I couldn't quite sleep that well, but I hope these guys gonna help me. I'm done with my curls, and I hope that they are going to stay throughout the day because it's really humid. Today is the big 27. The number 27 been following me throughout the whole trip. Like, even the floor that I'm staying at is 27. Like, what is this? I definitely feel really good here too, and I feel like 27 is definitely gonna be my year for sure. I feel it, and it feels so good. Does anyone believe in like angel numbers? Have you ever guys checked like astrological cartography? I think that's what it's called. You put your date of birth, the time you were born, something like that, and it will show you on a map which locations is like affect you different. And Miami particularly was showing me that there is financial growth, there is just like success overall, and I was really curious. I just felt like I need to go. I want to see what's there, you know. Since I got off the plane, I got booked a really cool skincare campaign. I am so stoked. Overall, just good things been happening, and then all this like 27 everywhere, but I've been feeling really great here and I'm so excited. So before I'm gonna show you my look, I made these ears for this day, and here is my whole look. This dress is so cute, and you guys helped me to pick it on my stories. This dress is from Dollskill, and it is so cute. And here are my ears up close. I really love how they turned out, and I made like a little TikTok reel how I made them, so if you're curious to see how I did them, you can. Yay, we got a new car! The other car had a spider and they gave us a new car. Disney World! Wow! So pretty! I feel like a real princess in Disney World. At first I was like, maybe this is like too extra. It's the whole, you know, super puffy sleeves and DIY ears. But I love that I did all of this and created this look. I'm gonna go explore some rides.
What happened? They stopped the whole thing.
Yeah, you literally stopped the whole thing because I took off my mask.
Yeah.
Like, if you want to start, this is it. This is our first ride to take in Disney World. So, I'm so excited! Look at my nails! Oh my god, this is so cool!
Look at that.
What's your name? Elena? Nice earring.
So, we did a couple of rides and it is so hot. Roman, what do you think so far?
About what? Your outfit? Or about
Everything.
Disneyland? Disney World. I mean, I'm jealous a little bit.
Of what?
Man, we've been stopping the whole time.
I am in love with my look, and it is really hot, but it was totally worth it because it is so beautiful and I'm just enjoying myself. Also, I keep getting like
That's
trillion
a lot.
compliments.
Like, so many people stopping you. Hey, I love your dress. Yeah, you look amazing. Hey, you look. So, the kids was like, oh, that's the princess. You're famous.
I feel famous. We're just walking, trying to find a ride, and the parade is starting right now. These houses are so cute.
I like the outfit.
Thank you.
If you're still coming in, it's great. Ooh, George, being the stage manager.
So they say it's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
We're going up.
It's so sweaty. We just made it to the Animal Kingdom. It is such a jungle vibes here. I love it. Wow, this park is so beautiful. Look at this tree. It's so huge. We want to go straight here to Pandora, the World of Avatar. I love this movie. I'm so excited. I wish we came earlier. It was so hard to get out of the Disney parking lot. We're entering Pandora and this is so gorgeous already. I'm so excited. Oh my god! We're getting to Pandora ride. I'm so excited. So beautiful.
2 hours later.
Pandora ride. The line is just the longest ever. Literally, the DMV line is not this long. I feel like I've been here over an hour. No joke. Avatar World and an actual avatar. This is so cool. Wow.
The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for a
Oh my god, I'm literally crying. I was crying from how beautiful and incredible. I want to go straight back to line. It's the most incredible.
The line is really long though.
The line was 3 million years, but it's so worth it.
So good. I
It's
did not want it
insane.
to end. I wanted like it was 4 minutes or something.
It's
I wanted
like
at
heaven.
least like
You have to-
10 hours.
Yeah.
I'm so ready to stay 10 hours.
Yeah, it's like-
I have time. For it.
We literally spent 1 hour in this line and
Tow my car. To do anything. I'm fine.
just
I'm fine.
it literally feels like heaven in there.
You know what's the
You're
best?
flying all over.
You know
all
what is
this
the best
ocean and
moment when they
beautiful.
go down like real fast.
Yeah,
Like no.
I wish you guys saw what we saw. It's just incredible. That's it. You have to experience
feels
it. You have to
so
come.
good right now.
You have to come and experience it.
Yeah, I would recommend this. I
Yeah.
swear.
Wow, they're like real. They look so real. This park is actually closed now to another one. It's called Epcot, right?
Yeah.
And that one closing at 10, so they have like a few hours. This is really, really, really amazing place, and definitely have to come back like full day just in Animal Kingdom. Yay, we made it to Epcot. Giant golf ball at Epcot.
I like your dress.
Thank you. Keep getting compliments, but yeah, we're trying to find this ride that we got advised that it's so good because we only have like 2 hours here. So I think this is our last ride for today. This is like a NASA experience. So I'm excited. A spaceship. So exciting.
The history of mankind, space exploration.
This is so beautiful. We just went to Disney Plaza for dinner and it is so stunning. Oh my god, this is so scary! It looks so real!
Happy birthday.
I got 2 spoons, but if you don't want to share, it's okay.
Awesome.
Wow, look at this. Oh my god. It's incredible.
So good. It's really good. I'm about to scream like the monkeys. It's so good.
It's that good. It's that
It's
good.
so good. So good.
So yeah, that would be a wrap for my birthday. Tomorrow we're driving to Miami. I'm so excited. I literally had the best birthday ever. I felt so much love and I got trillion compliments, like literally even right now.
It's really all the time.
It's the most complimented dress I've ever worn. Or maybe it's like the whole look in general. Road trip tomorrow.